How you doing, and welcome to my channel. Here's a video I'm doing. I'm gonna put up my lamp from my family. This was my grandfather's. It's been fixed up. New wire, new hook, new switch. The only thing that's original is the wheel, the wooden wheel, and the curved piece. I'm gonna put it up on the wall, so bear with me. I have one hand, so this might be a little bit difficult. Okay? As you can see, I'm gonna do it now. Bear with me, I'll be right back. You going back, I'm gonna finish the job. Okay. Here you go, I'm going to finish this up right now. Hopefully this comes out well. I'm not an expert. I'm trying my best with one arm over here, which is not easy. And as you can see, there's the hook. And it's going to be hard to do with one arm again. I hate doing these videos. I need my tripod. As you can tell by the video, the light's in with the hook. Everyone should have one of these drill bit kits. This is my DeWalt 13-bit. Does the job. This is what I use for most of my home repairs when I have to drill. Thank you for watching. It's a short video. Best I can do. I might try to make another one and redo the whole video again. Alright, thank you. Subscribe. Comment if you want. If you want any more videos, let me know what you would like that is feasible for me. And I will attempt to do some repairs of some sort. There's things I have to do, like a shelf and other things, so let me know. Thank you.